for our Community EXPO. We have a lot of volunteers out here today helping us get ready for the event and getting tables ready for all of our vendors, our sponsors, and our organization. The purpose of Community EXPO is to build community among our families of Black homeschoolers of Central Florida and our broader community. We are really looking forward to seeing everyone at the event tomorrow.
Hello, my name is Alicia. I'm from Lyonia Environmental Center with Volusia County. We have this really awesome environmental center out there where we have all kinds of animals for the public to see. We have snakes, we have lizards, turtles, alligators. We have all kinds of great programs that are free to the public. Our facility is also free to the public and we're open every day except for Monday.
How's it going? My name is Jason Rayner. I am the CEO and founder of 105 Publishing. One of the things that our authors love is that we travel all over the nation to sell our authors' books for them, as they keep 100% of royalties when publishing with us.
So I am with WISE at Daytona State College, and we are Women in Science and Engineering. So what we do is get women involved in STEM at the college.